If you want to set a song as a ringtone on the Redmi A7 Pro, then in that case we're gonna open settings. Then in settings we're gonna scroll down a little bit and you want to choose sound and vibration. Then in here we can go to the ringtone and you will open the themes app with the ringtone category selected. Over here you can immediately find some random songs that of course you can try out if you want to. If you find a song you can just tap on it in order to have a little preview, and then if you like it you can just tap on the bell in order to apply it. But if you have your own song saved on the phone's storage and you want to use it as a ringtone, then in that case you can go to choose local ringtone. Now over here you're gonna go to audio files, and then in here you should be able to find all audio files that you have on your phone, so you can select the song. It's going to be added to the list of ringtones over here, so then you just have to tap on the apply button in order to confirm that you want to set it as the ringtone. And that is pretty much it. However, in the case of this ringtone list, if you set the song as your ringtone and there is no icon over here, because for example you had to set a permission or something, or grant a permission, then in that case you want to use the apply button again until this icon actually appears. So that's it. Leave a like and subscribe.